like using music and pictures to tell about history, it's a lot more exciting. It's something you want to do instead of something you have to do.
I mean, after all, isn't that what learning is all about?
What can the internet do for you? Help your career? Educate your children? Make your life better? It could. With a new Macintosh Performa 6400, the internet is a wonderful new world ready to explore. A world of news, travel, art, online banking, sports. The possibilities are endless. And the Performa 6400 makes the internet easy. It comes with the Apple Internet Connection Kit, a complete internet software package with Netscape Navigator, email, and much, much more. Everything you need, all in one place. And with Apple's personalized internet launcher, standard on the new Performa 6400, the World Wide Web conforms to you, not vice versa. Tell the launcher what your interests are, and it searches the internet and selects the best websites for you. The new Macintosh Performa 6400, part of a new generation of Macs for the home that make creating, communicating, and learning easier and more fun than ever before. We offer a full line of Performa computers, all easy to use, all great values. You can get up to 200 megahertz PowerPC processors, super fast CD-ROM drives, 16-bit CD quality stereo sound, advanced video, huge hard drives. And Macintosh Performas are expandable, so they can grow as your needs grow. And each Performa comes with over 20 software applications included. This is a tremendous value you can't afford to miss, but the time to act is now. Call this number for a free information kit. The kit includes a software directory and product guide with everything you need to know about the Macintosh Performa line. If you're looking for the perfect companion for exploring the internet, discover the powerful, friendly Macintosh Performa.
Sam is learning just how easy it is to use a Macintosh. Sam's father also works on a Macintosh, which is important because it gives his father more time with Sam.
When we taped the choir for Bobby's project, it was easy. We just went to a church.
Oh, freedom over me.
But when I recorded Dad from my side, well, let's just say it wasn't exactly in a church.
Okay.
Rolling, Dad.
Oh, if at last our colour should be torn from Ireland's heart, her sons with shame and sorrow from the dear old soil will part. I've heard whisper of a country that lies far beyond the sea, where rich and poor stand equal in the light of freedom's day.
This was the most interest Galen had shown in school in a long, long time.
He was changing right before our eyes.
Well, you could do just about anything you could think of on the Mac. Research, scanning pictures. You could take it all home if you want to work on it there. You could add some graphics, and it's also good for annoying your teammates. Dear Sarah, the Irish have landed. Are you still lost in cyberspace?
Galen is such a dork. Really? Well, yeah. Don't you think so? No. I think he's nice. Huh. Well, you don't know him like I do. And he is not nice. And he likes you? Please! Can we talk about something pleasant? Like homework. Okay, here's where I am. In Taiwan, the native people use songs to tell their history. The old people teach the young people the songs, and that's how things get passed on. Music instead of books. Wow. Anyway, I used some cd-roms to get the story. Then I downloaded the photos off the net. from a guy who takes lots of pictures over there. I emailed him and told him what we were doing. He said it sounded cool.
Well, it is cool, Jessie. It's great.
There's only one problem. Can't find any music. Of course, my grandfather would know.
He would?
Yeah, he's a professor of ancient music. He does research.
So ask him.
I can't. We don't know where he is right now.
Okay. We're gathered here today to see how we're doing. So, how are we doing?
We're doing great. Well, most of us anyway.
Hey,
Hey, guys, look. We've only got a week left. And we need to put this together. Can we try to do that, please?
Sure.
let's give it a shot.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Do you have any music?
Yeah, actually I do. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I love this.
I don't know. It is cool. Be in there. That's really cool.
Whoa.
This is
a good job.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Well, this looks pretty good.
We're gonna win. There's only one problem. My music. I don't have it yet.
Well, I meant to tell you. I heard this program the other day on public radio. It was about music in Taiwan. It was kind of cool.
You listen to public radio, Mr. Guangzhou?
My mom had it on. I couldn't help it. Well, anyways, they said they had a website. Thought maybe you'd want to check it out.
A website. Thanks.
Yes!
Good answer. Something had happened to our son. He actually seemed interested in school again.
We thought it was a fever. Turns out it was the Mac.
I know.
Wouldn't it be cool if we went first? I mean, even
Great.
Yeah, but
all
even
that
if-
hard work.
I know, but even if we just
It'd be great when you won. Yeah.
Hey, guys.
I really hope we win.
Well, I received word from the website committee this afternoon, and I just want to say how much I've enjoyed working with you these past few weeks. And no matter what this letter says, you have all come a long way together. I'm very proud of you.
You haven't opened that yet?
Nope. Do you want me to?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, yeah, Mr. Martin, what did it say?
We didn't win.
No, Bobby, I'm afraid you didn't win. First place. However, you did win second place, and that means you'll all receive scholarships to the college of your choice. These kids use the Macintosh to explore, to go on a journey. And they all found something. Some found themselves. And some of them found something else.
Members of Taiwan's ancient tribes use song to preserve their history. According to Dr. Shang Wu Li, who has spent the past year living in rural Taiwan. Dr. Shang Wu Li, it can't be. It's him! Mom! Mom!
It's funny, I mean, ever since we did the project, things are different. I mean, Jesse's found a grandfather, Bobby's already planning on how to use a scholarship, and I get to be in math. And I even think Sarah's pretty cool, but don't tell her I said that.
I guess you could say we're satisfied with our purchase.
Yeah.
What should you expect from a computer with multimedia today? CD-ROM, sound, video, or something more? If the computer is an Apple Macintosh, the answer is yes. You should expect all of those things, especially the something more. Because with the powerful new Performa 6400, multimedia has never been so easy or so amazing.
Ow!
You can even make your own home movies. With the addition of Avid Cinema, the Performa 6400 lets you take video from a camcorder, VCR, even the internet, and easily create movies, complete with special effects, titles, and multiple soundtracks. You're guided each step of the way, from fade in to fade out. It couldn't be easier. We offer a full line of Performa computers, all easy to use, all great values. You can get up to 200 megahertz power PC processors, super fast CD-ROM drives, 16-bit CD quality stereo sound, advanced video, huge hard drives. And Macintosh Performas are expandable, so they can grow as your needs grow. And each Performa comes with over 20 software applications included. This is a tremendous value you can't afford to miss, but the time to act is now. Call this number for a free information kit. The kit includes a software directory and product guide with everything you need to know about the Macintosh Performa line. For advanced multimedia that's easy to use, discover the powerful, expandable Macintosh Performa.